Positive affirmation of the day. I believe in the power of positive thinking. Type yes if you agree. 444 is coming your way next week. Type yes if you agree. Affirm. Universe wants to see you happy today. So it's going to send miracle after miracle, and you have no choice but to smile. Are you ready? Type yes if you agree. Bring your mind back to how blessed you already are. There's always something to be grateful for. I am physically, mentally, and emotionally ready to enter a new phase in my life. I'm ready to grow and get better. You are going to get some good news. The universe is changing your situation. You are coming into a new season of blessings. Get ready for it. Type yes if you are ready. You can, and you will have more than you have ever dreamed possible. Are you ready? Type yes if you are. Today is your lucky day. There is no coincidence. Your life is about to change and huge blessings are near. Type yes if you believe. You will soon be presented with an opportunity that could change your entire life. Type yes if you are ready. Things are changing fast for you because you're being guided to enter the next level of your growth. Welcome the new energy and be patient with yourself. Type yes if you believe. This is the sign that everything is going to work out in your life with your finances, your health, your love, and your family. Type yes if you receive this message. The universe is about to open new doors of success, hope, and luck. The spiritual vibes. Type yes to receive. You will get what you prayed for. Make room for what you love. Be patient. The universe is moving the pieces around. Type yes you agree. The money is coming your way next week. Type yes you agree. You're about to receive everything you have prayed for. Health, wealth, love, and inner peace. Type yes you agree. I don't chase. I attract. What belongs to me will find me. Type yes you agree. Something very good is coming your way. Good news, good times, good relationships, good health, and countless beautiful blessings. Type yes you agree. This week, the universe is getting you back on your feet for the greatest comeback of your life. Type yes you agree. Message of the day. When something really, really matters to you, let it go. Say to the universe, you know what I want. Give it to me in the path of least resistance. Give it to me in the easiest way possible. Give it to me in any way I can get it. Type yes you agree. I am worthy of love and deserve to receive love in abundance. Type yes you agree. A miracle A miracle will happen for you next month. It will be the most significant shift you have experienced. Open your heart and mind and be ready to receive. Remember to express your gratitude. Type yes if you agree. Focus on yourself. For a while, do things for yourself and ignore anyone who creates confusion. You'll be much happier. Type yes, you agree. The answer is yes. You will get what you prayed for. Make room for what you love. Be patient. The universe is moving the pieces around. Type yes, you agree. You will manifest $1,000 out of nowhere. Claim it. Type yes if you agree. You're in the middle of the greatest transformation mentally, physically, and spiritually. You will make it through. Type yes, you agree. You will receive a life-changing miracle by the end of the month. Something unexpected and amazing is on its way to you. Are you open to this? Type yes, you agree. Everything you need. Your courage, strength, compassion and love, everything you need is already within you. Something you've prayed for is about to arrive suddenly. Type yes if you agree. Financial abundance is coming to you. Your bank account will skyrocket. Type yes if you agree. Message of the day. When you truly want something and go after it without limiting yourself with disbelief, the universe will make it happen. Type yes to claim.